All right, this is Friday of the week and the final day of the market trade. And something is already happening right now. For those who don't know, Friday set the standard of the following week's market. Friday always set the standard. And how does it do that? You will see that a lot of the stocks that you're seeing right here, there are much of the dip, much of the pullback, that is the red signals and the red candles that you are seeing right now. These are what we call pullback because this is not the bearish momentum. We're already in the bullish momentum. And so when there is this level of red in the market, it actually indicates a pullback. And once there is a pullback, it creates opportunity for value investors to step in. So if you have taken time to monitor one or two stocks, this is AVGO, one of the darling in the market today. I love this particular stock, and I've been waiting for such pullback so that I can step in at a very cheaper price. And it's giving me that indication. You can see what BTC is doing. BTC has also dropped. And then the king of the market, which is the SPY S&P 500, also indicates how the market behavior is actually rolling out. And so we just have less than 1 hour before the market close, and you are seeing this. That is an indication that by Monday, when the market is going to open, there's going to be a lot of upside because Friday usually, shows that strength of what this following week market is going to be. So this pullback is an opportunity for you. You can see Micron Technologies, experiencing over $38 pullback. It shows a very strong momentum. This is AMD. Where's my AMD? AMD is also 18. You see a lot of them. And so for those stocks that you have monitored over time, I think these are opportunities for you to step in and think them heads on. I have Facebook. I don't know, my network is actually a bit messy, but this is Facebook. I've added Facebook to my radar, and I'm also planning to add more if there's going to be a little more pullback. However, Facebook is already at a very strong support base for you to accumulate it because this is a $1,000 stock price. So trading at this price shows you an opportunity to step in strongly. I have Nebius. Nebius Group is another stock that did not pull back anyway, but then it is a very strong structured company. However, the price has actually gone up, so I'm not buying right now. I'm still monitoring it. The same with CoreWeave. CoreWeave 1 year ago, CoreWeave was listed at $28, and look at where it is right now. So a lot is actually rolling out for us to grasp. The hood is also there. I have a lot of stocks that I'm actually placed on my radar that I'm going to be picking. The IonQ. IonQ is down like $5. You can see that IonQ. IonQ is another amazing stock for you to add. So the essence of this, the importance of this particular video I'm making right now before the market will close is to show you that Friday set the standard. If you understand how the market works, the standard gives you opportunity to enter at a very favorable price tag. And for you to get it right, don't also forget that you need to do your analysis. Which sector you are buying shares? Are you buying from the energy sector, AI sector, the chip sector, the transportation sector? You have the health sector. You also have that of logistics, the defensive. A lot of these sectors are there for you to take. Aerospace, a lot of it for you to calculate and know how you diversify your investment. Because some persons may be caught in some level of misunderstanding of the market when you now buy different stocks thinking that you have diversified, but deep down, every stock that you may have bought or purchased were also inside one particular sector. So it is always good for you to apply the risk management. You need to understand the sector that you are going into. This is iron. Iron is also experiencing a pullback. The Bit Digital, the Beyond Meat, all these are stocks. You can see a lot of them showing red in the market, and so many of them are actually showing us a pullback opportunity for us to enter. Zeta also went up. It did not experience pullback. You have BBAI, the Kill, and many other stocks for you to buy. So if you really want to build wealth, first understand my mentorship and follow up immediately. And if this particular video is so wonderful for you, do well to help it to get at least a 50 like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Follow us on our different social media handles. And on Sunday is actually our live class. Live class is for those who are in our mentorship group, and it's going to be massive.